After the judge discovered that a juror had been discussing the case with her friends, she was dismissed from the Alex Murdaugh double homicide trial on Thursday morning. At the family's estate in June 2021, Alex Murdaugh is accused of fatally shooting his wife and younger son. More than a year later, the disgraced South Carolina lawyer was accused of killing the victims. Judge Clifton Newman informed the court on Thursday before the defense's closing argument that he had received a complaint alleging that one of the jurors had improper conversations with parties not associated with the case. When questioned about it in the jury room at the Colleton County Courthouse in Walterboro on Tuesday, the juror denied it, the witness said. The jury had given her opinion on the evidence presented in the trial to at least 3 people, according to information obtained from the 3 witnesses who were questioned on Wednesday, the judge said. That juror will be removed and replaced by another juror, in order to preserve the integrity of the process and the interests of both the state and the defense in a fair trial, Newman informed the court. The order was accepted by the state and the defense. The juror was informed by Newman that despite his orders not to, he had come to the conclusion that she had discussed the case intentionally or unintentionally with people who were not on the jury, and that he was therefore required to remove her from the jury. She was praised by the judge for being a great juror, who was attentive to the case and performed well, and was thanked for her participation. Given all the time you've put into it, you probably find it difficult to stop, Newman remarked. I'm not saying you did anything wrong on purpose, but we are going to replace you with one of the other jurors to maintain the fairness of the proceedings and to all parties involved, the judge said. Before the defense began presenting their closing argument, a new juror was sworn in. Only one of the original 6 alternate jurors is still serving in the trial, which is currently in its 6th week. The jury will soon begin deliberations. Since the beginning of the trial, a number of jurors have been discharged for medical reasons. The most recent reorganization occurs a day after the jury members visited the 1,772-acre hunting estate Massell in Islington, where the killings occurred, to get a sense of the area. Near the dog kennels on the family's property, Margaret Murdaugh, 52, and Paul Murdaugh, 22, were discovered dead from multiple gunshot wounds. The accused, 54-year-old Alex Murdaugh, has adamantly denied killing them and entered a not guilty plea.